Let's go, students.
Hebrews chapter 10 from verse 1. For since the law has merely a rude outline, foreshadowing of the good things to come, instead of fully expressing those things, it can never, by offering the same sacrifices,
It can never by offering the same sacrifices.
continually, year after year, make perfect
Year after year. Unyaka
Unyaka
nonyaka.
nonyaka.
Inhlachelo yoyani enikelwa abantu. Unyaka nani?
Nonyaka.
continually, year after year, make perfect
Make perfect.
those who approach its altars.
It cannot make them perfect. Now it says the love of Jesus perfects
Uthando
us.
lukaJesu omkhulu
Now it says
liyasiphelelisa.
laba abaletha inhlachelo unyaka nonyaka. Lithi abaphelelisi.
Cha,
Lithi ababi perfect.
cha,
Ababi?
abaphelelisi.
So sifuna ukushadisa umshado perfect. Mara sebenzisa imperfection.
Ayi,
We use what? Imperfect.
sisebenzisa ukungalungi.
Imperfection. Let's go.
Verse 2.
And leso sikhathi uyithenga komunye ugobela lembuzi. Let's go.
For if it were,
Already uzithengela ubuthakathi bakho. Uyithenga enyangeni lembuzi. Ngoba vele zithengiswa inyanga. Let's go.
for if it were otherwise, would these sacrifices not have stopped being offered? Since the worshippers had once for all been cleansed, they would no longer have any guilty.
They will
or-
no longer have any guilty. Bawashiwe
Bayukuba
bagezi.
nacala.
They would no longer have any guilt or consciousness of sin.
Consciousness of sin.
Noma ukudliwa
It
yisono
means the
kunembeza.
ability yokudla isono ayisabi khona in their consciousness. They are clean. Let's go.
Verse 3. But as it is, these sacrifices annually bring a fresh remembrance of sin to be atoned for.
Phinda. Lithi lo nhlashelo le iletha ukukhumbuzwa kwesono. Ayisusi isono letha ini ukukhumbuzwa kwesono. Wagwaza umuntu 2020 bani ufuna bakuhlabela imbuzi ukuthi bakwashisa. Ukhumbula isono sakho wasethi ngicela imbuzi mama. Ngicela inkukhu. Nesinyama sasejele. You are remembering your sin.
Ukhumbula izono.
But the blood of Jesus does not remind you sin.
Alikhumbuzi izono.
It perfects you.
Kodwa liyaphelelisa.
It brings you to great love.
Liletha othandweni olukhulu.
righteousness.
Ukulunga.
It doesn't remind you of sin.
Alikhumbuzi
But the
kona
blood of bulls and animals,
kodwa igazi lenkunzi
it says
nelwane.
it reminds you of your sin.
Lithi likhumbuza izono zakho.
Okay, sibekele isinto. Angisho thina abantu abamnyama asihlabi, asimane sihlabi. Sihlaba ngobe sithi kunento ekhona la ekhaya.
Yeah.
Shuthi sikhumbula izono zabo khokho. Read. Ikhona la eBhayibhelini. No, people are making a mistake ngalento leyo yokuthi bathi asihlanganiseni abaphansi kuqala. Awuhlanganisa abaphansi ebantwini abayoshada. Ningahlangana honorane nenze umalobolo wenu exchange izimali kube right. But ningathi sayotshela ugogo nomkhulu. Mangabe kana 10 yabafazi uyovuka nale character la kubongani.
Jesus.
Mangabe usister Nelly bekana 10 ugogo wakhe umkhulu wamina ugogo wakhe mhlambe ka polygamy. Kuyovuka ini polygamy spirit.
Uvuka umoya wesithembu naye.
Uzozwa ngathi indoda e1 I see enough. Kuvuka ani umoya wesithembu.
Ayi.
Amadoda ayakwata na ukhuluma ngesithembu. Isithembu isono.
Jesus. Yeah.
Continue.
Yeah.
But as it is, these sacrifices
Yes, because today pastors buy start isithembu. Beke ngapha nangapha. Ikhoshi. Yadikhoshi.
Ayi uthi uyinkosi yamakhosi. Asichaphaza.
Continue.
But as it is, these sacrifices annually bring a fresh remembrance.
Fresh ayilethi ukukhumbula kwakudala. Lithi letha
Ufelele.
okusha kwesono. Kuvuselela okusha kwesono.
Annually actually bring a fresh remembrance of sins to be atoned for.
To be atoned for.
ukuthi ihlatshelwe bese ziyabikwa.
Verse 4, because the blood of bulls and goats is powerless to take sins away.
It's powerless to take sin.
Alinamandla okususa isono.
And nabo abantu mele bashade baye ku perfection. Bongena nani namandla wesono, amandla wenkanuko, amandla wanwani asaphila mara kushadile. Mara kunamandla wani wenkanuko. Avuswe ngani ngembuzi.
Imbuzi ya.
Abanye abantshela ukuthi why bathanda namadoda angayikhuluma imfihlo. Mina uNkulunkulu wangikhombisa lezi. Yabona labafaka lezi zinto lezi. La. Basuke bafaka lamandla walesilwane.
Yeah.
Kibo.
Isiphandla phecelezi.
And angasifaka lapho uzombona nasesikolweni akezwa uWes udawa kakhulu. Netna ke ugqoka lento leyo uzombona uWes nani uyanihlule nimfakile endlini.
Yeah.
Unimela ngamadolo so ngezinyawo so.
Yeah.
Mara nthe udinga simenzele umsebenzi umntwana akezwa maqeda ukuyenza uba Wes. Ngoba kusese uye manje sekuphila two spirits in one person.
Sekuphila imimoya emibili kumuntu oyedwa.
Wena ulwa nenyama umntwana akezwa kanti sesemoyeni indaba manje. Continue.
Because the blood of bulls and goats is powerless to take sins away.
Lithi ayinamandla yokususa izono.
Verse 5. Hence, when Christ entered the world, he said,
When Christ enters the world,
uKristu
the
mayingena
perfect relationship with God, the righteousness entered the world.
wayengena ke
God's righteousness.
ukulunga kaNkulunkulu.
he said,
He said,
sacrifices and
"Nawu
offerings
umkhwenyana kaMareke ke manje. Yamuva umkhwenyana
Ayi.
kaMareke. Angifuni inkukhu, angifuni imbuzi. Ngena kayi-1 mina. Angiyophinda unyaka nonyaka ngihlabela umakoti. Umakoti ngumhlabela kayi-1.
Hey, God.
Uza kimi uthola sengilungisile relationship.
Oh,
Uza ku perfection with imperfection.
kuza kokuphelele nokungapheleli kwakhe.
Let's go.
Hence, when Christ entered the world, he said, sacrifices and offerings you have not desired,
You have no desire.
but instead you have made ready a body for me to offer.
I have only for me to offer.
Umlungisela umzimba.
Now the Bible
ukulungele.
comes wena ndoda na umfazi umzimba wena kusesemzimba yenu. Hayi wezilwane imzimba yenu. Let's go.
But instead, you have made ready a body for me to offer. Verse 6. In burnt offerings and sin offerings, you have taken no delight.
Zange ukufune
Ah,
Nkosi.
uyithokozela.
Funda ngesizulu brother Prince. Funda ngesizulu.
Ku6 ufundeka kanje.
Qala ku verse 1.
Siqale ekuqaleni. AmaHebheru 10. Njengalokhu umthetho uyisithunzi sezinto ezinhle ezizayo
Umthetho uyisithunzi sezinto ezinhle.
ezizayo.
So nabambelele emthethweni shutha uthathanga into enhle. Usaphethe ini isithunzi? Ngoba wenzani? Qhubeka.
Njengalokhu umthetho uyisithunzi sezinto ezinhle ezizayo ungesiwo umfanekiso wazo uqobo. Ngeke waba namandla ngemihlatshelo enikelwa njalo iminyaka ngeminyaka ukubenza baphelele labo abasondelayo.
Ubuya khona uDecember. Na next year uyophinda. Continue.
2.
Na 2027 uyophinda. Na 2028 uyophinda. Until lento ithi angisafuna imbuzi ngifuna umuntu manje. Ithi manje ngifuna umuntu. Ngiyobulala umntwana manje. Ngiyobulala indoda manje. Ngiyobulala umfazi manje. Ngiyobulala umalume manje. Ngidiniwe ine hepatite lento yo. Ine taste. Iyakhe ibhore ingasafuni imbuzi emhlophe ithi ifuna lengathi brown. Uthi ngaba mhlophe nethi ibe nombala oyi2 o brown. Or ibe mnyama bese ibe na2 yombala omhlophe. Yakukhethela. Ine hepatite yo.
Ilamba kamnandi.
Read. Uthi bata kumele uthole inkukhu hayi ubhayisane. Ibe namabalabala. Uthe njani? Ithi namabalabala. Inkukhu nawo ungakaze wayibona. Lokho uhamba amahoko wonke.
Ucinga impangela. Ufuna impangela.
Fula man, susa lezi zinto. Hayi ayikho la. Uyakokunye. Hayi la ayikho. Uyabuyela uthi man angitholi lekhala mina. Athi hayi. Wena thatha nasisipili. Into ozoyibona lapha esipilini uyihlabe. Yo. Andu hlaba umfowenu, hlaba udade wenu, hlaba umama wakho, hlaba indoda yakho. Now they die.
Bayafake
Wena
manje.
uthi uhlaba into esipilini ngathi bohlaba umuntu. Don't worry, the Spirit of God izokufundisa ukuthi abantu baganga njani.
Jesus.
Everyone onenhlatshelo ohlabayo uthakile.
Nali qiniso.
Ngoba nasithi umuntu uthakile sithi umuntu enzani? Uyahlaba unenhlatshelo. Shuthi uyezani uhlaba izilwane or abantu. Shuthi nawe uthakile.
Ngoba uyahlala.
Ngoba uyahlaba. Kunento oyifidayo mara uyiboni.
Yo.
So uthakile. Uphethe umthako. Qhubeka brother Prince. No, abantu abalazi leqiniso because of abantu abaningi bahamba nomthetho, ne? Bashumayela yini? Umthetho. Yevithini, ithi umthetho isithunzi.
Yeah.
So kushumayela umthetho ukuthi hayi hlabana la noshumayela umthetho, lithi akusizo lento ezihle esizilindile. Yini? Isithunzi sale zinto futhi ayifani nazo.